Alright, today I want to talk about solar energy tax credits. It's a bit off topic for my channel, but there's some very important information that I need to share, so I decided to make this video. The problem is, solar energy tax credit salespeople and promoters don't always give correct information regarding the tax credits available for buying solar panels for your home. This may or may not surprise you. Yes, there are generous tax credits available, but if you're not careful, you can end up getting duped or misled and not even getting the big tax credits that you've been expecting. Stay tuned to learn more. Hi, I'm Noel Lorenzana, your friendly neighborhood accountant. Who doesn't like the idea of solar power? Free clean energy from the sun? Am I right? Solar energy tax credits are like a reward given by our government to encourage people to switch to solar energy. These credits can help individuals and businesses financially when they install solar panels on their property. Basically, the solar tax credits allows you to claim a percentage of the cost of your solar energy system as a tax credit on your federal income tax return. And get this, it's a credit, not a deduction, which means it goes straight to reducing the amount of taxes you owe. Keep in mind, tax credits are always better than tax deductions. You can claim the solar tax credit if you install a solar energy system on your primary or secondary residence that meets certain requirements, and you'll also need to own the system outright rather than leasing it from a third party. Right now, the solar tax credit is 30% of the cost of your solar energy system. That means if you install a system that costs $20,000, you could be eligible for a big tax credit of $6,000. Not bad, and the credit has been extended until 2034, so this will be around for a while. A tax credit is a dollar for dollar reduction from taxes you would have owed. Here's the problem though. The solar energy tax credit is not refundable. I know what you're thinking, what the heck does that even mean? It means that if you don't have a tax liability, then you can't utilize the tax credit, but it can be carried forward to future years. Allow me to share a story with you. This guy John purchased a solar power energy system for his home for $30,000. The salesperson says to him, "John, you're going to get a big tax credit of $9,000, effectively reducing your cost to only $21,000. John lights up and says, "Let's do it." Later on, at tax time, John sits down with his tax professional, looking forward to cash in on his big solar energy tax credit. The tax pro prepares his return and has to break the bad news to him. He can't take the solar tax credit. But why? John actually was retired and didn't have a tax liability for the year, meaning he didn't owe much taxes, if any. He had some retirement account distributions, Social Security, and some federal withholding that he usually got back in the form of a refund. Now, John is very upset and blaming his tax preparer for being incompetent, when actually he was either misled or he was not actually fully informed. It wasn't the tax preparer's fault. Folks, solar energy tax credits can reduce your tax liability to zero, but not less than zero. The refunds actually come from your own federal withholding. Think about that. So when you hear about a tax credit as being not refundable, that means if you don't have a tax liability at the end of the year, then you can't utilize it. I've tried to explain this as simply as I can, but please leave a comment below if you have any questions, and please share the video with anyone looking to buy solar panels. You'll really be helping them out. My best advice is to talk to your tax professional before buying solar panels. If you don't have one, then get one. Don't believe everything your salesperson tells you. They're just trying to make the sale, and they probably don't know your specific tax situation, so there's that. Overall, the solar energy tax credit can be a valuable financial incentive for individuals and businesses looking to invest in solar energy systems. It can help to reduce the upfront cost of installation and make solar energy more accessible to a wider range of people. Just know what you're getting into before you start. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do me a favor, give it a like and subscribe if you want to stay connected. Up next, check out these videos here, which you can watch next. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.